morning, children. Say good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good. Welcome you all in this class. Before starting, we will play one game. And the game name is Simon Says. What is the game name is? Simon Says. For example, all of you listen carefully. Yeah? You will do this game. You will play this game. Okay? For example, when I say Simon says jump, you will jump. Okay? When I say Simon says hooray, you shout hooray. But if I don't say Simon says first, then what you have to do? You have to do don't move. And that is how we play the game. All of you understood the game? How we play the game?
Yes.
Okay. Now are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I start the game. I will start the game first. First round. Simon says, touch your nose. All of you sit straight. Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Simon says, touch your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. Simon says, pull your ear. Pull your ear. Blink your eyes. Yes, did you blink your eyes?
Yes.
I didn't say Simon says. So why you blink your eyes? When I say Simon says, then you will do the action. Otherwise, you don't. Okay? Let's play one round. Let's play again. Then listen. Simon says, snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. Simon says, move your arm. Move your arm. Simon says, touch your hair. Touch your hair and roll your eyes. Did I say Simon says? Did I say Simon says?
No.
So why you do this action? Why you did this action? Roll your eyes. If I say Simon says, then you will do the action. Otherwise, you didn't do the action. Correct? So, are you interested in this game? Can we play again?
Yes.
Okay. Now listen carefully. Huh? Simon says, touch your lips. Touch your lips. Yes. Simon says, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Simon says, touch your ear. Touch your ear. Shout hooray. Very good. So you understood this game. I didn't say Simon says, so you didn't action. That is a hooray. Okay, very good students. Well done. Okay, did you like this game?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, now we will start our class, our English class. So before starting, I will show you one video. You have to see the video carefully. Okay?
Okay,
So
teacher.
wait for 1 minute.
Good morning, my lovely kids. Welcome back to my class. Children, we are going to understand the concept of near and far. In simple words, we can say that near means close and far means away. Let us see the examples. In the first picture, the two students are away from each other. This means they are far from each other. In the second picture, the students are close to each other, means they are near to each other. Children, it means when the distance between two person or objects is more, then we used far. And when the distance is less between the two person and objects, we say near. Now in this picture, circle and triangle is near to us. In the next line, the circle and triangle is far from each other. Then we see that there is a big tree. The one boy is standing near to the tree, close to the tree, and one girl is standing far from the tree. In the next picture, one boy is sitting there. Apple and banana is on the floor. So, apple is near and banana is far.
Now, what you have seen in this video, what do you understand from this video?
Near and far.
Very good. So in this video, what we see? Near objects and far objects, correct? When the distance between two things, or a person is more, then the things are far away. And when the distance of things and person is less distance, so the things are near to each other, correct? So we know about the concept of a near and far. So close means near and far means away, correct? Close means near, far means away. So like this, when we are framing the sentence, in English, when we are framing the sentence, instead of near and far, we use the different words. And what is that word? This and that. When the thing is near, what word we used? We used this. And when the thing is far away, we use that word. Got it? When near, we used this. When far, we used that. Got it? For example, this is what is this? Yes?
Flower.
Very good. This is a one type of a velvet flower. What is this? Velvet flower. Now, if I hold this flower near to me, what you said? This is a flower. When this flower is near to me, what you said? This is a flower. And when I hold this flower away from me, okay? Now this flower is away from me. So what did we use? We use that is a flower. Got it? If this flower is near to me, what we use? This is a flower. And when this flower is away for me, what we use? That is a flower. Got it? Now next one. What is this?
Clock.
Clock. Very good. This is a clock. Now, when I hang this clock on the wall, okay? When I hang this clock on the wall, what did we say? That is a clock. Why? Because clock is far away from me. Away from me. Okay? So what did you say? That is a clock. And when the clock is near to me, this clock is near to me, what did we say? This is a clock. What did we say?
This is a clock.
Very good. And when I hang the clock on the wall, what is this? That is a clock. What is this? That is a clock. Correct? समझ में आया सबको? All of you understood?
Yes.
Now next one. This is what?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. Now this fish is near to me. What we called? what we called?
This.
If this is a fish. What I said, if the things are near to me, what we called? This is a fish. We use this there. We use this. So this is a fish. And when I hold the fish away from me, what is this? That is a fish. All of you understood?
Yes.
If the thing is near to me, I use this is a fish. And when the thing away from me, what I told, that is a fish. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now we will learn about this and that. This and that more in detail. We are going to learn more about this and that. This means what? The near things. And that means what? Far away things. Which are the things which are far away from us? We used that. So we will see more about the this and that. Now where we use this? When the things are near. We used this. And when the things are far, we used that. Okay? See the examples. This is used to tell about the nearer object. Means what? When the object is near, when the person is near, we used this is. Okay? When the object is near, when the person is near to us, what we used? This is. Now next is that. Where we use that? When the object or a person is away from us. They are far from us. What we use? That. That is. Got it? Now we will see the examples. Now the hat is near to the hand. So what is this called? This is a hat. Repeat after me. This is a hat. Yes?
This is the hat.
Very good. This is a hat. Now, the bird is away from us. The bird is away from us. What we said? That is a bird. What we said? That is a bird. Next one. This is a football. Why we use this? Because football is near to the hand. Correct? Football is near to me. So what I said, this is a football. Then the kite is in the sky. The kite is away from us. So what we say, that is a kite. Next picture. This is a cup. Why? Because cup is near to us. Cup is near to us. So what we said, this is a cup. What we said?
This is the cup.
Very good. And the butterfly, what we use for butterfly? Because butterfly is far away from us. What we used?
That is the butterfly.
That is a butterfly. Very good. Now next picture. Excellent. This is a cat. Why, Kyuki? Why? Because cat is near to me. Okay? Cat is near to me. So this is a cat. And the elephant is far away from me. The elephant is far away from me. So what did you say? What will you say?
An elephant.
That is an elephant. Very good. That is an elephant. In the next picture, near to the hand, what is there? Hen is there, correct? So what will you use there?
This is a hen.
Okay, this is a hen. And the duck is away from us, away from the hand. What we used?
Duck. That is a duck.
Very good. That is a duck. Okay. Now next picture. There is one boy standing on the floor. Okay. Now, near to this boy, one rose flower is there. And away from this boy, one lotus flower is there. Correct? So, when I said rose flower is near to the boy, what we said?
Rose flower is near to the boy.
Yes, so rose flower is near to the boy. But what we used? This or that? This. Why? Why? Because rose flower is near to the boy. So what we use? This is a rose. What we used?
This is a rose.
And away from the boy, which flower is there?
Lotus.
Lotus. So what we said? What we will tell? That is a lotus. What we tell? That is a lotus. Why? Because lotus is away from the boy. Okay? And the rose flower is near to the boy. What we said? This is a rose. And lotus is away from the boy. What we said? That is a lotus. Okay? Now next example. Near the boy, one cat is there. And away from the boy, one dog is there. So what we frame? How we frame the sentence?
This is a cat. That is a dog.
Very good. Now, cat is near to the boy. What we said? This is a cat. And dog is away from the boy. What we said? That is a dog. Okay? Now, on this English grammar, on this and that, we will play one song. We will sing one song. So let's sing a song.
Yes.
This and that. Repeat after me. This and that.
This and that.
This and that.
This and that.
Okay. Now, in this screen, in these slides, what do you see? Which pictures will you see?
Sun, spoon, one hand, one star, one moon.
Very good. Now we see star, we see moon, we see sun, we see finger, correct? One finger is there, hand. Then next we see the spoon, and last picture is a bun. Bun means with the help of air we used to make a bun. Okay? So in the sky, we see the star, moon, sun. So what we said, this is the star, this is a moon, sorry, that is a star, that is the moon, that is the sun. Why? Because sun, moon, star, they are in the sky. They are away from us. So what we said, that is the star, that is a moon, that is the sun. Now, there is one finger, finger is with our hand. So, this is near to me. So, what we said, this is my finger. Okay? Then spoon is there. This is my spoon. And bun is there. This is my bun. Okay? Got it? Now, I will sing a song. You will repeat after me. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
Next. This and that.
This and that.
This and that.
This and that.
This is near me.
This is near me.
And that is far.
That is far.
This is my finger.
This is my finger.
And that is the star.
That is the star.
This is my spoon.
This is my spoon.
That is the moon.
That is the moon.
This is my bun.
This is my pond.
And that is the sun.
And that is the sun.
When something is near, when something is near, we say this.
We say this.
When something is far,
And something is far.
we say that.
We say that.
Have you understood this poem, this song?
Yes.
Now I will explain you again. When something is near, what we used? This.
This.
And when something is far, what we used? That. Okay? When something is near, what we used? This. And when something is far, what we used? That.
That.
Now, I will ask you some questions. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
You will answer these questions. Now, what is this?
One book.
One book is there. Correct. This is a book. Okay? So, if I hold this book near to me.
This is the book.
Very good. This is a book. Repeat after me. This is a book.
This is a book.
Very good. Now, when I hold this book away from me, when I hold this book away from me, what we used?
That is a book.
Very good. That is a book. Why? Because this book is away from me. Correct? This book is far from me. So, that is a book. Correct. Repeat after me. That is a book.
Book.
Very good. Now, next one. What is this?
Purse.
Purse. This is a purse. Now, what we used to frame a sentence? Yes. This is a purse. What we used? This is a purse. Now, when this purse, I put it on the table. This is away from me. So, what we used? Yes. That is a purse. What we used? That is a purse. Yes, got it? Now, next one. What is this?
Toy.
This is a toy. Which toy is this?
Bad toy.
Yes.
Bad
Is
toy.
it
Teddy bear toy.
teddy bear? Is this toy? Teddy bear. Very good. Now, if I have a beer near to me, what we used?
This.
Yes, what we used?
This
Yes.
are near to me.
Yes, this is near to me. I know that. But what is the sentence? What is this? This is a teddy bear. Okay. So this is near to me. So what we use? This is teddy bear. What is the sentence? This is teddy bear. Okay. This is teddy bear.
This is teddy bear.
Okay. Now when we hold this teddy bear away from me. So what do you say?
That
Yes, very good. That is teddy bear. Very good, Rayan. That is teddy bear. When this teddy bear is with me, is near to me, this is teddy bear. And when the teddy bear is far from me, that is a teddy bear. Got it? Now next one. Now what is this animal? Can you see this animal?
Yes.
Zebra. Very good. This is a zebra. Now when I hold this zebra near to me, what we say?
This is zebra.
This is a zebra. Very good. Now when I hold this zebra away from me, what we say?
That is a zebra.
Very good. That is a zebra. Very good. Everyone, very good. Excellent. Okay. Now I will show you something more. Now what is this?
Ruler.
Ruler. This is what? Ruler. Very good. Now this is near to me. What you say?
This is a ruler.
Very good. This is a ruler. Now, when we hold this ruler away from me, what we say?
That is ruler.
Very good. That is a ruler. Very good. Excellent, student. So, all of you understood this and that.
This and that.
This and that.
This and that.
Something is near.
Something is near.
We use this.
We use this.
When something is far,
When something is far,
we use that.
use that.
Very good, everyone. Excellent. So, you understood this and that. When I hold the something near to me, when the things are near to me, we use this. And when the things are away from me, you use that. Okay? Now,
Okay.
did you like this and that?
Yes, I like
Yes.
this and that.
Okay. Now, you frame a sentence using this and that. The things which are around us. The things which are around us, we use this. This is a pencil. This is a chalk. This is a book. This is a mobile. Because these things are near to me. These things are close to me. Okay? And when in the sky there are star, bird, moon, sun. There are various star, moon, bird and all in the sky. So what we say? That is a moon. That is a star. That is a sun. That are birds. Got it?
Got it.
Very good. Excellent. So, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and touch on a bell icon. Thank you.